According to research, 70% of new freelancers left Fiverr. Do you know why? Because they did not get the orders. Now the question is why they did not get the work on Fiverr. The answer is simple, but first subscribe to my channel and watch this video, and then I will ask a question. Have you ever seen the fight of a tiger and a rhinoceros? Tell me who is the most powerful animal. Of course, rhinoceros. But then why did the tiger get the prey of the rhino, even if it's smaller in size and power? The answer is simple. Tiger has the technique to fight. That is the reason they can prey on any animal far bigger in size and weight than him. The same is the situation with most of the freelancers on Fiverr. They put in their hard effort while doing the job, but without technique and tricks. And this is why they did not get jobs and quit freelancing. Gig Glider is a platform that will make the situation analysis of all Fiverr aspects, find out the diagnosis, and provide you an action plan for your Fiverr gig. We provide you with the tricks and techniques that will help you to boost your Fiverr gig ranking. You will earn a handsome earning and enjoy a happy life.